Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, thank you to Mr. Adriana for giving us the opportunity to present this material. And also to all my friends who have given their time. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. I am Auli Zulfani Rusdi as moderator and my friend is Sabrina and Ilham Febriansyah. In this video, we will present about focus on from the lexicogrammar approach. In this presentation, we will maintaining 4 points of the content points. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, what is English language teaching and English language education history and methods. Number 3, how many points are there in background. Number 4, conclusion. The focus of the document is on integrating a focus on from into text-based language learning. It discusses the challenge of ensuring learners pay attention to formal accuracy while still focusing on meaning, and provide suggestions for sequencing grammatical activities.
Number 1, institutionalist, foraging, language learning, teaching English at different levels. The focus of the document, institutionalist, foraging, language learning, teaching English at different levels, is on the development of grammar, introduction, in foraging language teaching. It discusses the traditional distinction between vocabulary and grammar, the strong links between vocabulary and grammar, and the importance of a focus on form in language learning. Number 2, teachers of English as a foraging language, experience and professional development. The document, Teachers of English a Foraging Language, Experience and Professional Development, focuses in the relationship between vocabulary and grammar in foraging language teaching. Number 3, language learns from learning styles and identity. The focus of the document, language learns from learning styles to identity, is on exploring different aspects of language learning, including learning styles, identity, and the role of teachers in supporting language learners. Number 4, best approach. The document, English language learning, and SLA based approach, discusses the relationship between vocabulary and grammar in foraging language teaching. It challenges the traditional distinction between vocabulary and grammar and highlights the close connection between the two domains. The document explores the concept of lexical grammar and emphasizes the importance of integrating vocabulary and grammar. Instructions in the English as a foraging language, EFL classroom.
Reading, listening, viewing, focus on the development receptive language skill. Suffixually, reading, listening, and viewing. If the course has various approaches and strategies for teaching and improving the skill, emphasizing the importance of meaning-focused activity and the interrogation form and meaning. Productive competence, speaking, writing, and mediating. The document productive competence, speaking, writing, mediating focus on the different aspects of language production, especially speaking, writing, and mediating. If discuss various a phrase and activity that can be develop the productive comfort, competence in language learner. Next, grammar approach. The document discusses the traditional distinction between vocabulary and grammar in language teaching, where vocabulary is seen as learning words and grammar is about learning rules and patterns. Approach fictional text and media. The document approaching fictional text and media discusses different approaches and techniques for teaching and analyzing fictional text and media. It explores the use of the presentation, practice, production, 3 approach and its limitation, as well as the concept of focus form, F1F, which emphasizes the teaching in linguistics, structure, meaningful and communicative content.
And last, conclusion. Word in this card are held together by grammar, which largely depends of set of words or phrases that are frequently used with them. Thus, grammar and vocabulary are intrinsically linked. The main idea of a lexicogrammar approach in language teaching is that vocabulary and grammar are not taught separately, but in combination. The knowledge of lexical item is essential for communication and may serve as stepping stone for learning grammar. However, within the framework, a focus on form approach also has a place in the classroom, but it needs to be integrated into tasks and activities which are meaningful for learners. Authentic text and interaction offer numerous opportunities for grammar and vocabulary learning. Learners and teachers simply need to explore these linguistic patterns.